Hi boys and girls, so our learning goal today is I can compare maps and globes. So we're going to learn a little bit about maps and globes. So first, maps. A map is a flat drawing of the earth, or a part of the earth. Maps can help you find places and give you directions. So here's a flat drawing of our whole earth. But maps could also be theme parks. You know when you go to a theme park and you have to go to the bathroom right away, you might check the map for the nearest restroom. You'd find that little symbol. Or you might look for the symbol for your favorite ride. So theme parks give you maps. You also have neighborhood maps. Maybe you want to try to find the library from your school. So you'll have to look at the map to see how to get there. Maps also could just be of one state. So this map shows just the state of Florida. Maybe I want to go to Orlando, or I want to go up to Tallahassee, the state capital. I can look at the map and I could say, well, I live right about here. I need to travel north to get to Tallahassee. So maps help us with getting places and giving directions. So here's some things about maps. Maps have a map key. So if I was looking at a map, I would have to find symbols on my map key because all these words wouldn't fit on maps everywhere. So I'd want symbols to help me find things. If I wanted to find a house, I'd find this symbol. School, I'd look for this symbol. If I wanted to find a park, I'd find these symbols. Or a hospital, I'd look for this. Maps can show roads. They show water. They're flat. Maps show land. And they also have a compass rose because we need to know what direction to travel to get to each place on the map. Globes, on the other hand, are a little different. A globe is a model of the Earth. Remember, we live on the planet Earth, and Earth is round. So it's shaped like a sphere, and it shows you what Earth looks like from space. So if you were up in space looking down at the planet of Earth, this is what you would see. So let's learn about globes. Globes are a model. They spin. Usually they're on a stand like this, so you can spin it around to see the Earth. They have water. They do show water. See the blue here is all the water. They have land as well. On this globe here, it's in different colors, so you can see the different countries or continents. And it's in the shape of a sphere because our Earth is round. So let's think about it. Maps and globes are both pretty helpful, but they don't have a lot of things that are the same. Can you remember what are two things that both a map and a globe have? Let me hear you. Did you say land? If you did, you're right. They do both show land. And the other one they both show is, that's right, water. They both have water. So we learned about maps and globes and we compared maps and globes. We noticed how maps can show us how to get places. They have a compass rose to show us the cardinal directions. They might show roads. They're flat. They show land and water. And we learned that a globe, also just like a map, shows land and water, but it's more of a model and it's something that spins. It's not flat. It's in the shape of a sphere like the planet Earth. So I hope you enjoyed learning about the differences between maps and globes. And next time you go on your next car trip or to your next theme park, I hope you put a map in your pocket instead of a globe, because I know a map would be definitely more helpful.